Hello everyone, my name is Nidhi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain what is the virtualization and what are types of virtualization attacks. So let's get started. First we explain the what is the virtualization. Virtualization is a technique that allows one physical computer to run a multiple virtual computer. It also called the virtual machine and VM. Each virtual machine work independently with its own operating system and applications, but all VM shares the same physical hardware. So in simple word, we can say that virtualization divides one computer into the many small computers. This help in saving a cost, improving the performance, and using a hardware more efficiently. Then we are explain the type of common virtualization. So let's discuss. First type of virtualization attack is a hypervisor attack. We are called hyperjacking. So, what do you mean by the hypervisor attack? So, the attackers take control of the hypervisor, the control component managing the virtual machine once, and it's compromised. The attackers can control or monitor all the VM on host. So, when the hypervisor attack, so what is the impact on our system? So, access so to sensitive data in VM and full control of virtual environment. And how can I prevent? We prevent this attack. So we prevent for regular update and patch the hypervisor. Second is the implement strict access control and monitoring. Okay, then we see the second type of virtualization attack is a VM escape. So what do you mean by the VM escape is a VM break out of its isolation and interact directly with the hypervisor and others VM. Okay, so there is impact is compromised the security of the entire host system and potential access to other VM and their data. And how we can prevent using the hypervisor with a strong isolation mechanism. And second is keep guest OS and application patched. Third type of attack is a denial of service. It means a DOS attack. DOS attack means attackers overload the hypervisor and host the resources, making the system unavailable for the legitimate users. It means we can say that the attackers overload the hypervisor or host resources like a CPU, RAM, network because they heavily load and legitimate user cannot access the system. So the impact is degrade the performance of the system, crash, disrupt the services hosted on the VM, and we can prevent our system using the limited resource allocation to prevent one, and monitor the unusual resources using the patterns. Then we are talking about a fifth type of virtualization attack is a virtual network attack. Virtual network means exploring vulnerabilities in the virtual network component such as the virtual switches, okay, and or virtual network interface, and the impact is unauthorized access to VM communication and data interception and manipulation. We prevent this attack using the secure virtual network with encryption and firewalls, implementation of network segmentation. So this help of prevention, we prevent our system for from virtual network attack. Then six is a snapshot and image attack. It means exploring the vulnerabilities in VM snapshots or disk image, which might contain a sensitive data or outdated software. So the impact of data theft and exposure of system configuration, deployment of VM and non the vulnerabilities. We prevent the system using the encryption and security snapshot and file image files, regularly update and validate the VM template. Okay, so this type of we can this type we can prevent our system from the virtual network attack. Then next question. Okay, so in today's video we are explain what so we are discussing the all types of virtual network virtualization attack. Now we are close this and thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.